So everybody's gonna want to know my opinions and my thoughts on these clippers and trimmers, right? I got through a whole day with cutting with them, and here's my thoughts on them. I think 360 Listen, I know y'all been waiting on it. It's finally here. Finally. Eee. Dennis, what took you so long? Well, we got the TOMB45 clippers and trimmers. Hopefully, I have the trimmers too. Hopefully, I have the clippers and the trimmers, and not just the trimmers or just the, you know what I mean? But it's a big box. I expect both of them to be in here. Okay, all right, bubble wrap is in the way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the mats right here. The TOMB45 mat. And the clipper right here, let's go. All right, all right, all right, all right. We ain't tripping on the bottom. All right. And the trimmers right here. Let's open it up. That experience. Hold on, I ain't gonna throw this. Nice. Nice. You hear the sound? Let me see. Let me see what this do. Okay. All right. All right. Speed up. Okay. The sound quality, not too loud. Let's get into this one right here. All right, you guys. All right. Let's go. Let me take that off too. Let's go. Sound quality. Y'all hear the sound. The LED lights. Let me see what this do. All right. All right. Goes down. Speeds back up when you hit the TOMB45 button. The grooves. All right. All right. I like this handle. I like this. I like the lever. The lever on it is pretty dope. It feels comfortable. Okay, all right. We gonna cut with these all day, just to get a feel for it. But yeah, wait. Let me talk my talk real quick. Listen, shout out to Chris Bossio and the whole TOMB45. I remember them flying me out just to get to know each other. You know what I'm saying? To see if there's anything that could possibly happen. You know what I mean? I support TOMB45 and what they doing. I seen them start from the bottom and now they here. Y'all gotta understand, we YouTubers. That's what they used to say about us. They used to say the game is to be sold and not told. What that mean though? Look where we at right now because we told the game. I'm just saying, shout out to the YouTubers that's doing big things. Let's go. Go back to it after this. Yeah. Drop it.
HustleDreamProduction.
You said a 1.5 on top, right? I already told him. No, I already told them that they already know I'm gonna review. I'm gonna use any clipper I want. Because if they didn't allow me to do that, I wouldn't have never been with them. I would have never did it.
Yeah, if I were you, bro, I'll just stay more to the positive side.
Yeah. So, everybody's gonna want to know my opinions and my thoughts on these clippers and trimmers, right? I got through a whole day with cutting with them, and here's my thoughts on them. I think if you've been following Chris Basio, TOMB45, if they inspired you, I feel like this is a must cop, hands down. I feel like why do you even need to hear from me in order to cop these clippers and trimmers right now? I want to address, for anybody that's thinking, oh, free 60 Jeezy is showing TOMB45's. He's betraying Stylecraft. For anybody that's thinking like that, I do what I want. You know what I'm saying? I do what I want. I do what I want. One day, do I do it? It's not my fault that I have my own voice and I can say what I want to say. You know what I'm saying? I can talk about what I want to talk about. You know what I mean? I'm not under contract that keeps me from saying, you know what I'm saying, or showing a certain brand or a certain clipper. That's the good thing about keeping your voice, all right? And I just want to go into this and dabble into this right now, because when you sign up to be an ambassador or under an umbrella of a company, normally what happens is you can only speak about that brand and what they got going on. You know what I mean? But I am in a position, I have built myself in a position to where I don't have to do that, y'all. I could literally talk about any clipper I want, and if it prohibits me from talking about any other clipper, I wouldn't do the deal. I wouldn't be a part of it. I would just stick to doing me and being by myself and never You know, never coming out with a clipper or none of that. You know what I mean? Never be no ties with no brands. That's the beauty of building yourself so big. And not to put me on this high horse, but that's the beauty of building yourself and focusing on yourself and really just going hard to where the brands really just, you know what I'm saying? They want you. You know what I'm saying? And if you want me, this is what comes with it. You know what I mean? This is, you know what I mean? And that's the thing that you know what I mean? I don't hate nobody. You know what I'm saying? I really am free. I really feel like, dang, man, I would hate to have my voice being taken away where I can't really talk about TOMB45. You know what I'm saying? But I could talk about TOMB45 all day. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't got this clipper, go pick it up. If you ain't got this trimmer, go pick it up. I'm not going into, oh, the pros and the cons and all what you don't like about it. Nah, man. TOMB45, I started with them. You know what I'm saying? I grew up with them on YouTube. Some of y'all don't know. Some of y'all coming in on success. And that be the thing too with Chris Basio. Y'all coming in on Chris Basio's success, not knowing where the man came from. You know what I'm saying? Because if you go back, double back. Look at them old videos. Look at where a person came from. Then you'll start to appreciate where they at now and all the hard work that it took to get there, because it ain't easy. None of this stuff is easy. Propping up the camera, coming up with ideas every day, all of that stuff is not easy, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So when you see your favorite influencer dropping something, bruh, for me, all the knowledge, all the time we spent together, man, I'm buying it. No questions asked. I'm not filled with hate in my heart, y'all. Cause there's gonna be people out there that feel like Jeezy ain't riding for Stylecraft. Nah, man, I ride for all of these brands. You know what I'm saying? All of these brands. If you got love for me, I got love for you. If you ain't got love for me, listen. If you ain't got love for me, I'm not saying nothing about you. And that's the bottom line. If you don't have love for me, I'm not saying nothing about you. And you got to get my name right. It's not free 60 Jeezy. It's 3. It's 360 Jeezy. You was in my DMs. You was in my DMs now. Let's remember that before we start talking crazy, because I know the video coming. I'm out, you guys. That's my take on it. Go pick them up. Shout out to TOMB45, Babyliss for coming out with this clipper and trimmer. Shout out to Get Beam. I think Get Beam was behind the whole design of, you know what I mean, the drawing and stuff like that, because I know how Beam get down. Shout out to Beam as well, man. Can't leave him out of it. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.